Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that's how many hours do I work at Basecamp? Now, I know that this is a question that a lot of people are interested in, especially if you're considering working at Basecamp or if you're just curious about how the company works. So, I'm going to be answering this question in as much detail as I can, and I'm also going to be sharing some of my own personal experiences working at Basecamp. Before I get into the main content of this video, I want to take a moment to talk about what Basecamp is. Basecamp is a project management software company that was founded in 2003. The company is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, and it has over 3 million users worldwide. Basecamp is a very popular project management software, and it's used by a wide variety of businesses and organizations. Some of the companies that use Basecamp include Airbnb, Shopify, and Twitter. Now that you have a better understanding of what Basecamp is, let's get back to the question of how many hours do I work at Basecamp? The answer to this question is that it depends on a number of factors, including your role at Basecamp, your team, and your personal work style. However, I can give you a general idea of how many hours I typically work at Basecamp. On average, I work about 40 hours per week at Basecamp. However, there are some weeks where I work more than 40 hours, and there are other weeks where I work less than 40 hours. I also want to add that Basecamp is a very flexible company, and they allow their employees to work from anywhere in the world. This means that I can work from home or from a coffee shop, whatever is most convenient for me. Now that I've answered the question of how many hours do I work at Basecamp, I want to talk about some of the other benefits of working at Basecamp. One of the benefits of working at Basecamp is that the company has a very strong culture of collaboration and teamwork. Everyone at Basecamp is very supportive of each other, and it's a great place to learn and grow. Another benefit of working at Basecamp is that the company offers a lot of opportunities for professional development. For example, Basecamp offers a variety of training courses and workshops that employees can attend. I also want to mention that Basecamp is a very generous company. They offer their employees a competitive salary, as well as a comprehensive benefits package. Overall, I think that working at Basecamp is a great experience. I'm very happy with my job, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a challenging and rewarding career. Now that I've talked about the benefits of working at Basecamp, I want to talk about some of the challenges. One of the challenges of working at Basecamp is that the company is growing very quickly. This means that there can be a lot of change and uncertainty. Another challenge of working at Basecamp is that the company is very global. This means that you may need to work with people from different cultures and time zones. Despite these challenges, I still think that working at Basecamp is a great experience. The benefits far outweigh the challenges, and I'm very happy to be a part of the Basecamp team. In conclusion, I would like to say that I am very happy with my job at Basecamp. I work a reasonable number of hours, and I enjoy the challenges and opportunities that come with working at a growing company. I would highly recommend Basecamp to anyone who is looking for a challenging and rewarding career. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video about how many hours I work at Basecamp. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video about how many hours I work at Basecamp. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would also love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments section below. What do you think about the number of hours that I work at Basecamp? Do you think it's too many or too few? Thanks for watching.